What's up everybody, this is a Gaming Panda guys, and look what we're playing! It's a brand new game. This game is a cool brand new game. I've just found it. It's free on the market in Xbox, and it is so much fun to play. It is called How to Survive Storm Warning Edition. Fun game guys. If y'all have Xbox One, you need to download it guys. Y'all will have so much fun. You can basically kill zombies. And right in this video you see me trying to survive. And when I say trying, I mean trying. Me and my friend, uh, Skate, we both basically have an epic fail. So I just wanted y'all to see how bad my first time playing was. So here we go, guys. I'll talk to y'all later, guys. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Peace, guys. See you.
Hey, you, please, I need some help. There are monsters. I managed to kill. Let Thanks, pal. Hey, I'm one of a small group of. Many of us have died. Ramon is injured. Please find him. Listen.